Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update. I have now placed the Harry Potter terrarium in what's going to be its permanent location, which is going to be on the studio wall, the main countertop. And for those of you who have not seen the build out for the studio wall, check it out because everything I used is recycled. The only thing I had to buy for the entire thing was some hinges because I used everything was left over. But I am super excited about how this turned out. There was a tilt issue with it not looking level, and you can see what I've done down here is I had to add a couple of felt pads to bring it up to where it's level, to where now it's even all the way across. And hopefully the glare is not so bad that you cannot, get a really good idea of what's going on inside there. But I think it's just, for me, when I'm looking at it, it almost looks like it's floating, and I love that. So here is a better close-up. And yeah, I think it looks really, really cool. So anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.